Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by redeeming the gift card into your Phonepe balance because that converts a code into spendable funds. Open Phonepe, tap gift cards, or my offers, type the code exactly and confirm. Once done, check the balance reflected under Wallet or My Money. Make sure your account is KYC verified and that your bank UPI is linked. Without KYC or a linked bank, you cannot move funds out. This step turns a static voucher into a transferable balance. Next, transfer the redeemed amount to your bank by using Withdraw or Send from Phonepe Wallet. Tap My Money, select Wallet or Withdraw, enter the amount you want to move and pick your linked bank account. Then authorize the transfer with your UPI PIN. This authenticates and routes the money to your bank. Make sure the chosen amount sits within Phonepe's per transaction and daily limits. Splitting into multiple transfers is sometimes necessary. Keep the transaction screen open until you get the success confirmation. Finish by confirming the transfer. Wait for the in-app success message and check your bank statement or UPI transaction history to ensure credit. If the transfer does not go through, first verify KYC status, correct bank details, and that your UPI PIN was entered correctly. Repeated wrong PIN attempts can block transfers. As a single key troubleshooting tip, save the Phonepe transaction ID and immediately contact Phonepe support if money isn't credited, because that ID is required to trace and resolve the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.